Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I wanted to do an update on Noel Maitland's case, which involved Donna-Lee Donaldson and also Slickianna's case. So let's get into both these cases. So this one I am sourcing from Jamaica Observer, and it says lawyers for Noel Maitland and the cop charged with murder in the disappearance of his social media personality girlfriend Donna-Lee Donaldson will have to renew their bail application on November 15th. Reports are that there were issues with Maitland's clothing attire for court. According to Maitland's lawyer, Christopher Townsend, clothing was provided by the family, but the authorities did not take his court attire. He can come to court in a marina and underpants, Townsend said. Maitland has been charged with the murder and unlawful burial of a corpse in connection to the disappearance of 24-year-old Donaldson. Donaldson, whose disappearance has drawn nationwide attention, was first reported missing to the police on Wednesday, July 13th, 2022. She was believed to have gone to spend the night with Constable Maitland before she was reported missing. According to the police reports, on July 11th, about 10 p.m., she was picked up at her house by Maitland in a black BMW motor car to spend the night with him at an apartment located at Chelsea Manor. However, on July 2nd, Donna-Lee Donaldson's mother, Sophia Logg, reported to the police that she had not seen or heard from her daughter. The police are operating under the theory that Donaldson was killed on July 12th based on forensic evidence. So this is the second time that Noel has gone to court and they have postponed his court date. I don't know if this is a tactic they're using so that people are going to forget his name or stop talking about Donna-Lee, and then they're going to sweep the case underneath the rug. I don't know what this is about, but clothing. Both him, his lawyer, and his family should have made sure that he had clothes if that was the case, and everyone around him and his team know that he has court. Honestly, in Donna-Lee Donaldson's case, I feel like she loved Maitland more than she loved herself, and it caused her demise. Even with all his baby mama drama and everything that he put her through, she still ended up being with him, and it ended up being her demise. And I think this is a thing with Jamaican women especially, and Jamaican men. When they're in a relationship and Jamaican women find a man that she actually truly really loves, sometimes they love them to their death. Basically put them in a position where the love that they have for this individual kills them. And this story is also from Jamaica Gleaner, and I'm sourcing this one from Jamaica Gleaner. Also, it says St. James, Jamaica, the Crown's failure to prepare witnesses and the absence of a defense lawyer were among the reasons that delayed Thursday expected start of a murder trial arising from the death of social media influencer Anika Slickianna Thousands. The trial of security guard Rohan Early B. Rose has been rescheduled to March 19 of 2024. The case against his co-accused Rushawn Patterson, who is currently being held at the halfway tree lockup, was also mentioned on Thursday. A Zoom hearing had been planned, but there were no facilities available to host him on the platform. Patterson was remanded in custody in absentia until October 4th. Jamaica justice system needs a lot of fixing, but one thing I will say with both these cases, even though I feel like they're dragging their feet, they definitely had boots on the ground. And even though it takes social media and Jamaican people to speak their opinion and voice their concern and drag the JCF when it comes on to certain case, once they get the cases in place, they do a good job at solving, and I have to give them props where props is due, because these two cases, they did their due diligence. One thing I will say with Slickianna's case, and I don't know if it's because she's from my part, the West End part of Westmoreland, and I actually followed her for years. This one hits home for me, and I hope her mom get justice. Honestly, just like the Donna-Lee Donaldson case, I hope her mom get justice. But the Slickianna case definitely hits home for me personally, because I watched this girl. Everybody around her was always happy. She was always laughing. She was always jovial. She loved her son. She gave her son every single thing. To see her go like this, and the reasons why she went the way she did, hits different for me. So with that being said, I hope they stop dragging their feet and get these two cases done with, and these men put underneath the jail, because honestly that's where they deserve to be. With that being said, I'm going to end this video here. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.